Welcome back. You're watching the morning edition. Om Prakash Chautala is injecting a communal element into the discourse on the crime of rape in Haryana.
Well, he seems to be stoking anti-Muslim sentiment by stating that Indians had to safeguard their women from the plundering Mughals. The comment has triggered a huge controversy, with Muslim intellectuals condemning the remarks.
Chautala's remarks follow the suggestions made by the Khap Mahapanchayat in Rohtak on Sunday. Both activists and rival Congress leaders have condemned them as an attempt to play politics with a sensitive issue like rape.
Not just the Khaps, even our politicians act as relics of a medieval age.
मुगलिया सल्तनत इस देश में हुआ करती थी। मुगल शासक जो थे वो लड़कियों के साथ दुराचार करते थे, लड़कियों को उठा के ले जाया करते थे। उस वातावरण से बचने के लिए लोगों ने अपनी छोटी छोटी बच्चियों की शादियां इसलिए तय कर दी थी। वही हालात फिर पैदा हो रहे हैं। जिस तरीके से लड़कियों के साथ गैंगरेप हो रहे हैं, सरकार नपुंसक बनी बैठी है, कुछ कर नहीं रही है। उसके दृष्टिगत अपनी इज्जत बचाने के लिए खाप ने अगर ये निर्णय लिया है तो मैं समझता हूँ ये एक अच्छा निर्णय है।
While the Congress promptly criticized Chautala's remarks, the Home Minister said there was no question of reducing the marriageable age.
भारत में जो हमारा कानून है उस कानून से ही चलना पड़ेगा।
Mr. Chautala should have realized, my God, I don't know which century he belongs to, and it's unfortunate because it sends out complicated signals for a society. Perhaps are in situ in our structures, and we need to work with them to ensure that their mindset addresses the reality issues of today.
Social activists have also condemned Chautala's suggestion.
It's ridiculous that a person of the stature of Mr. Chautala, who has also been the Chief Minister of Haryana, is speaking against the law of the land. Even in the Hindu Marriage Act and Special Marriage Act, the age is established for a girl to get married at 18. So I think he's very uneducated if it is that he doesn't know what the law is about and he's talking about 15, 16-year-old getting married.
Chautala is of course backing the Rohtak Khap's suggestion on Sunday that early marriages is the only solution to the crime of rape.
लड़कियां भी जवान हो जाते हैं तो जरूरी बात है कि उनमें सेक्सुअल डिजायर शुरू हो जाती है और उनकी सेक्सुअल डिजायर का पूरा ना होना उनको अनैतिक कार्यों की तरफ आकर्षित किया जाता है। तो मैं नहीं समझता कि शादी के लिए कोई उम्र निश्चित की जानी चाहिए।
But even as the Congress criticizes Chautala, its own leaders like Shri Prakash Jaiswal have often more than matched him in making insensitive comments against women.
नई जीत और नई शादी का अपना अलग महत्व होता है। जैसे समय बीतेगा जीत पुरानी होती जाएगी। जैसे जैसे समय बीतता है पत्नी पुरानी होती चली जाती है। उम्र वो मजा नहीं रहता है।
Chautala's bizarre backing for the Khaps comes on a day when yet another Dalit girl was raped in Haryana, making it the 15th such incident in the last 30 days. Something that has sent the Congress into a tizzy, with the Congress chief reaching the state on a mission to provide the healing touch.
The fact that Dalits are the victims in many of the cases has led the state governments to argue that there is a conspiracy against the community. But even as it struggles to crack down on the crime, party leaders like Chautala are fanning the fire by backing ridiculous suggestions of the Khaps and playing politics. With video journalist Kulbhushan in New Delhi, Palak Sharma for News X.
Well, it is very unfortunate that our so-called leaders have to suggest come up with these bizarre